What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm out here at the Salt Flats in western Utah, right on the Utah-Nevada border. It's about 2 hours west of Salt Lake City. I'm gonna be camping tonight with my buddy Christian. He's on his way out here. He's got about an hour and a half until he's here. So I figured to kill some time, I'm gonna walk up this little mountain that's over here. Right over there is our campsite where the car is. So let's check it out. This is super rocky with a little bit of sagebrush on it. Perfect environment for snakes, of which I am terrified of. So I'm keeping a strong eye out for those. Now the fun part is getting up all these rocks to the top there. I think I'm gonna go right up through here and then over and then across the top. All right, I'm almost to the top here. This is the easier part. Some solid footing on these rocks. Well, I made it up to this little top area, but there's still this that I might try to climb to get up a little higher. Not really sure yet. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna climb up it if I can. See what's at the top. Definitely steeper than I thought it was. And this is not easy with a camera in your hand. And of course, there's always another mountain. However, it looks like this has an easy route up it. I think I can just go right up this crevice to the top. I think this is the true top. Yeah, this is the top. And here's what we're looking at. This is south, west is over there. So right on the other side of this mountain range, or this hill, is Wendover, Utah/Nevada. And then this is all the Salt Flats. So I'm just gonna hang out here, on top here, and just kind of take in the view for a while. And then when he gets closer, I'm gonna head back down to camp. It's about 7:30 here. I've been just chilling out at camp for the last maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so. Christian said he's probably 10, 15 minutes out, so as soon as he gets here, we're gonna set up his trailer, get a fire going, and cook some dinner. So what's up? So we're gonna set up his new jumping jack trailer. We're gonna try it out tonight. This is the first excursion with it, so we'll see how it goes.
Hopefully you don't get stuck.
Make sure to check out last week's video for a full walk around and tour of how this entire camper works. It's pretty neat. It's pretty simple to set up, so. cheating fluid. Got a nice fire going here. We're gonna cook some hot dogs for dinner and just hang out for the night. One of my favorite things about the desert is the massive amounts of stars that are visible at night. And I wish I had a camera that could pick it up to be able to show it you guys, but when you get this far out into the desert, there's no light pollution, so you can see just every single star in the sky. We're just sitting around the fire BSing here for a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the hay, so pick you guys up in the morning.
Good morning, everybody. Day 2 here in the West Desert. Pretty good sleep in the tent last night. Stayed pretty warm. Only dropped down to, I had to guess, probably the low 50s, so not too bad. Christian's still sound asleep. I'm just gonna hang out, probably get a fire going, and enjoy the morning. Sleep all right?
Yes, sir.
What'd you think of the tent for the first night?
It's good. It's a lot warmer than I thought, to be honest.
Yeah. The breakfast menu today consists of bologna, egg, and cheese sandwiches. Somebody didn't think this through very well and only brought one pan. So we're gonna try to cook the bologna or fry the bologna on the fire while he is cooking the eggs in the pan. So we'll see how it goes. This isn't heating up as fast as I'd like. It's a little slower than the eggs. How are the eggs coming?
Good.
Almost done, huh?
Almost, yes.
It's a little bit of a problem. Bologna's not looking too good. And a nice slice of pepper jack cheese. Boom.
How are they?
Good. Now that breakfast is over, we got to do the fun part of cleaning up. We just finished up cleaning up from breakfast. Christian and I are actually going to be playing in a competitive cornhole league here in a couple weeks, so we're going to throw some bags back and forth here and just kind of kill some time and then take off here in a couple hours and head back to Salt Lake. So we're gonna get this trailer packed up and hit the road for the day. Call it a good weekend. It's supposed to be about 80 degrees today where we're at, so we're kind of excited to get out of here, get back to a little cooler weather. Overall, it was a good overnight camping trip. I think things went well. We had a good time, tested out his new camper. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Not really sure what's going on here. Mr. Llama's just chilling in the road. He seems kind of lost. I don't know where he came from. He's just... Where did he come from? All right, we'll catch you later, buddy.